and Happy New Year. It's the 1st of January 2023 and in a change to what we've done in the last few years, not consecutively, we've not gone to Otter this time, so there's no, it might have happened, I don't know, maybe it will do, but I thought it was just a bit too cold today, so, and I was up too late. So we've come just outside the White Rose, which is behind me, just there, where the concrete footbridge is, and I thought I'd do the 10th update on the White Rose station. It's been a while since I've done one of these updates, and I think it's about time we redress that balance. There's still not a lot of obvious changes, but I think as we speak now, there are some tiny parts of platform beginning to emerge. So I'll get the drone in the air and we'll have a look at it, okay? It's a little bit windy, but it should be okay. Now, I must admit, when I've just come down that path there underneath the pylons, the wires, I thought that crane there was really close to them, but looking now, it's amazing. It's probably 200 or 300 yards away. It's quite incredible. And as I say, let's get the drone in the air and see what's going on. Right, while we wait for the system update on the drone, I thought we'd just film this. It's a Class 66 and some ballast wagons. Because the railway here is closed between Thornhill, LNW Junction and Leeds, because they're doing this upgrading, not just the White Rose station, but they're upgrading Morley, which is what we're going to have a look at next once we've finished here. So this is 66731. It's got an NHS livery of some sort. Captain Tom Moore. Interesting. Is it dropping any ballast or not? It's not on this side. That's just the sound of the drone. Because I've had to pause the update whilst I film this. It's not often you see Class 66s on this line, or indeed any freight, to be quite honest. It's usually just Northern TPE units, and that's about it. Anyway, let's finish updating the drone software and we'll get it in the air as soon as we can. shot of the 66 there as well, didn't we? There's only one actually, there's not tin top and tailed, like sometimes ballast trains are with them going backwards and forwards. So whether it's come right through or not, I don't know. It might have gone wrong road and obviously coming back right road now. So let's get back on the bike and we'll head off down that way and over to Morley. That black thing there, I thought was some kind of tent that somebody been using. It's actually a trampoline that's been blown across and has got caught on the fence. So the fence there's done its job and stopped somebody getting on the railway. Just cycled onto Morley now via a rather dirty path down there alongside the railway, and look here, there's the downline in position. Upline's been removed. And no, it's not being singled. I very much doubt that. You see there's some of the upline there, look. Let's go up the footbridge. I'm not crossing over, so stay on this side, on the upside. As I think they're doing a bit of a Market Harbour job on Morley, realigning it. Yeah. So yeah, we just come round from where you can just see the top of the crane up there, look, where it was. So yeah, there's definitely no trains at all through here for some time. So let's see, get the drone in the air again. We'll have a little look at what's going on here. Yeah, as you can see, there's plenty of work going on here. There is. It doesn't look like they've realigned the platforms yet. Whether that's happening later, who knows. It's interesting the signals are still lit up though. Thought they might have all been switched off if with all this work going on. And the train's just moved 100 yards or so further forward. Right, I was going to get the drone out again, but not now. The weather's taken a turn for the worse, so we'll just go home now, sort it all out. So you can still see behind there, switch cameras. There's also the railway. There's a path we just come up. So you've got the footbridge there, right round to the right and up here. Hi, Happy New Year. So I could go down that way, but we'll go this way instead. We'll have to go this way, straight to the main road and back home.